Look at the beautiful tread pattern here. You can just see the power that it has. What a swampy mess. If I walked out there, I would sink right up to my knee. What a freaking shot that is. What a beast. Oh, look at that. Okay, I better be careful here. You know darn well this is where the battery will run out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The frogs know I'm in trouble. Riley, can you get that for me over there? Riley, give me your tail. No? Alright. Oh, that mother trucker is sunk. Wow. I'm having to use some vegetation just to frickin' stand on it so I don't fall into it. Oh, you can it's moving like it's just pudding. Uh-oh. At least the tires clear themselves out nicely. Cheating. Oh, it's in there. Oh. Okay. Cheating, but can I do it with some throttle? Nope. Nope. Alright. Oh. Oh, it's so high. Oh yeah, and I busted a shock. That's okay. Something came undone. There you go. Rinse yourself off. No, I said rinse. I didn't say sink. I said rinse yourself off. Now you're way out there. Great. All the water is working its way back in here. And I'm stuck. But sinking on that side. Alright. YouTuber films his demise. Oof. 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 While working his way out of his back pond. Oh yeah. Stepping closer to the shore. Oh yeah. That's good mud. I think he did pretty good for having a side link out. Whatever busted out, I'll tell you in a moment. No teeth. Not fair when it's injured. Oh, hey, Kermit. Good to see you, buddy. Ribbit. See him, Raven? Cool, huh? Alright. No, honestly, the truck is blue. As he reveals the true color. I don't know, I think the color mud is a great color. Alright, what happened? Oh yeah, I just had a link come undone. Unscrew. Right here. Not a big deal. In fact, barely even a repair.